G'day guys, Paul here from the Hook and the Cook. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're out on Lake McDonald. I brought a really good mate of mine, Steve Byrom. Sorry we've not posted for quite a while due to COVID, and I haven't seen Steve for ages, and since we've had these restrictions sort of eased here on the Queensland coast, I thought I'd take Steve out for a fish. And Steve's a really good bass fisherman. He's fished all over down in New South Wales. He's moved up here now to the Sunshine Coast, so yeah, what a better place to go out on Lake McDonald and go and chase a few special fish. So what do you reckon, Steve?
Certainly a beautiful day to have a bit of a look around, and there's a few birds around, so I'd say that we've got a good chance of getting onto a handful of good ones.
Found a nice school on the sounder. I'll just show you that. This is on the side scan. All these fish here, these are all fish, and I just said to Steve, there's a couple of nice fish out to your left hand side there. And yeah, Steve, just got a nice little bass.
Yeah, he's a beautiful little bass. What I've done is I've made up a little pink fly, and I put him about a foot or so up above a vibe, so it just gets the vibe back through the fly.
Yep.
And most of the time when I do pick up these little bass, I pick them up on the fly.
Yep.
The fly gets a real wobble up, so yeah, it's a good way to fish, and you can really do well out of it.
Oh, well done, Steve. That's a nice bass. He probably we'll put him on the lie detector in a second, see what he is. Yeah. But he'd have to be around about 35, I'd say, Steve, maybe?
Yeah, he's a male. He's actually dropping a little bit of juice out there. You can see that he's ready to spawn, so they don't spawn in the dam, obviously, but yeah, they're all packed up together.
Yep.
No, he's a little beauty.
Absolutely fantastic.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Lovely little fish.
Hopefully we'll get a few more, eh?
Yeah, he's going good.
As long as he doesn't tell his mates.
Yeah, we'll let him go. Not a problem.
Look at that. No wonder we're catching them. The Lowrance has proven it again. We put them on the side scan here, and you can see fish either side of us coming through. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. And we're picking that up. Steve's on again. We've just found another patch. Oh, he's a good fish, Steve. Oh, he's a nice fish, Steve. He's a good fish. And I said that. There's a cracker coming through on the sounder.
Oh, he's a bit better than the other ones.
Yes.
Nice fish.
Yeah, he's a good fish.
What did he take?
He took both. Oh, he took both of them by the looks of it. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's a nice way.
Steve's on fire today. He's on fire today. Well done, Stephen. That's what's he taken there? What have you got in there, Steve? What contraption have you got this time?
He's taken this shrimp thing with those little trailing hooks. Yep. What do they call them?
They're called shrimp things with little trailing hooks, mate.
Now it's going to surprise you what's happened when I caught this fish, because just before I caught it I had another hit.
Yep.
And it's actually bitten the top fly off the rod.
Oh wow.
So I've had two have a go at it at the same time. Could be the same one. When this is on, you've got a fly that's going to bounce all over the place each time the vibe vibes, and mostly I find that if the fly is moving, the fish are more likely to take the fly than the lure.
Yep.
So we'll give him a go and see how you go with him.
Yeah, okay. Let's hopefully we'll have a little bit of better luck, but you seem to be going really well with the fly. I find it really interesting. And you make them flies yourself, eh?
I just make them up out of a bit of fluff and fur.
Yep, okay. I won't ask where you get your fluff and fur from.
No, I'm not going to tell.
We can pull a bass in from here with this fly. Definitely a different technique than what I've ever used out here, and it seems to work.
You got something going well there.
6 pound line.
Oh, it's a good 6 pound, mate. You hop in there with this net. It sounds like a good.
Yeah. No, he's not bad. Ooh, he took the blade. Did he take the blade or did he take the...
He's on the blade.
Do you know what he's done? He's a good fish too. But he's hit your... he's taken the fly, so he smacked the fly, right?
And then
and snapped me off, and then he's hooked this.
Yeah, so the fly's gone.
So the fly works as an attractor. So that's very cool. And he's a good fish.
He's a beauty.
Yeah. There you go, guys.
37.
I don't think he's. I think he's about the same as the rest of them. They're all from the same school.
Doesn't matter, he's a beauty.
Yeah, he's got a bit of weight on him. Nice on. It's good for when they hit on 6 pound line, Steve, you know?
I don't know that. I've never had that opportunity.
You just put it on 20 pound.
They're not going to break my line.
He's
a beauty.
Yeah, he's good
well
fish.
done.
Finally off the board. But definitely this fly thing works. I think we've got to work out how we can tie it on without it snapping off, Steve. I think it's your knots that are doing it.
It could be, but it never used to be.
Absolutely smashed that.
Yeah.
I think 2 fish were on it, you know?
I think that's
At the
what's.
same time.
I think that's what happened with mine also. Like they felt so good, and the next thing
Yeah.
we're down to.
I felt like it pinged off, you know?
Yeah.
And then he was on. So
That's
maybe it
good.
was 2 fish, yeah. Well, let's get a
Fantastic.
See if we can tie it on a bit tighter and see if we can get.
Let's put some 10 pound on and tie it on with a good knot.
Yeah, I'm reckoning.
I'd reckon that'd be the go.
Okay, let's do
I'll
it.
get it sorted for you.
There you go, guys. Nice little fish. We'll get him back. Hopefully, there'll be a few bigger ones. We've just got this. Get him back in the water. We've got this idea now that we're going to put these flies on with a bit of a stronger line on the top, because we've got a feeling that either 2 fish hit it at the same time, or some of the bigger fish are hitting it, and we've just been snapped off twice. So it'll be fun if we can get 2 fish on the one line, especially if it's 6 pound line we're using. And let's see how we go anyway. But we're having fun. There you go. That's it. On.
Well done.
I wonder whether he's taken. Oh, he's got a bit of weight. I wonder whether he's taken the fly or whether he's taken. He's got a bit of weight, Steve. Actually.
Come around this side so I can see you. Sounds good, like a bit of weight on him.
Yeah. We've just swapped to a 10 pound line. Steve's just made a rig up with a bit of 10 pound on it in case we're going to get 2
You got
fish.
2?
No, just 1.
Yeah, no, you got 2.
Oh, he's a good fish.
You've got 2.
No.
You've got 2.
I've got 2. Oh my God. Steve, that is incredible. Look at that. That is remarkable. 2 fish. That is Yay! Steve-o, you're a legend.
How
Pigeon
good?
pair.
How good's that?
Oh mate.
A pair.
A pair of bass. Maybe we should keep this a secret, Steve.
No.
We're going to Barumba comp. That's
I'm
awesome.
pleased you got 10 pound line on.
I just can't believe it.
Fantastic.
That's incredible, mate. That is incredible. Steve, you are now the new bass guru, the whisperer.
We're not telling anyone. Yeah, well.
Right, how good was that?
No, that's bad luck. You're all tied up. I'll get my line.
That is incredible.
Yes, I can see that second one down the bottom.
I didn't believe you. I swear to God, I
Yeah.
did not believe you.
Fantastic.
Woo! That is really good. Okay. Yeah, what I'm really spun out about is that I've been throwing this one around all day until Steve's put that fly on the end. Got him on a bar of it now. Yeah, pretty cool. Very cool. I'd like to be able to do that again. I don't think that's maybe a one-off, but I don't know, Steve. I mean, that's twice now. We've both been busted off on the.
At the same time.
Yeah. Just see whereabouts they are on the sounder.
Still there.
This side, Steve. On that side. Feels quite heavy. I don't think it's 2. Well, it could be, Steve. It's pretty heavy. Bloody hell.
They come around.
Look, well, if it's 1 fish, it's a bloody good fish.
Coming around in front of you there.
I've only got it on a light drag because in case this is either a really good fish, I've foul hooked him or something, but he's a yellow belly. He's fighting. Not fighting like a bass. No, I hooked him. Yeah, it's a nice bass. He's just woken up. He's seen your face, Steve, and
He
he
did.
thought, geez.
You see, that's a good looking fella, but I'm not going to see you.
I think I don't know if he's taken the fly. I think he might have taken the fly, Steve. He's just woken up now. There you go. Yeah, he's taking the fly.
He's on the fly.
He's taking the fly. You!
Cool.
Alright.
Beautiful.
Another good bass.
Look how fat it is.
Look at that. They are fat, aren't they?
He's an absolute pearl.
He's a chump. A chunk. Fantastic.
Jeez, these flies.
Mate, you're going to have to start selling them, Stephen.
No.
Now Steve's telling me he's put £20 on mine. I don't believe him. He's got another one now, and say this one. Oh, I feel when they're sort of hitting it halfway up, Stephen.
I'll come and help you with it.
No, I've got it. It's fine.
Sure.
Yeah. I normally fish alone, Steve. Don't have any mates.
Oh, well.
Oh, I got 2 again, Steve.
Have you?
Yeah. Yeah. You're no good. I'm not bullshitting you.
Let me have a look. Let me net them. I'll be bugging.
Hold on, let me get the GoPro of it.
I'll get the bottom one first if I can.
The bottom one. I'm catching you up now. Get him in, Stephen.
I'm going to knock him off.
You!
Look at that.
How good is that? Steve, what's going on here, mate?
They're obviously on.
Yeah, they're obviously on.
Wow.
They're hungry.
Could have won 15 fishing competitions today just with one rod. Well done, young fella.
Thanks, mate. All right, we'll get these off and we'll get
back
them
in the water.
Back in the water. Casual with them, Steve. Any side?
Yeah.
Oh, you're all right.
He's a little fella.
Oh, he's gone. Oh, nice, Steve. Well done.
On the blue.
Blue vibe. Right, you're still smashing me at the moment. That's how many bass now? I think you've got about 10. I think I've only had maybe 6.
Jeez, they're fat.
But I can't complain because I've had double hookups. Thanks to you.
Yeah, but really, you've only hooked them 3 times.
That's right. Well, guys, what a special day I've had on the water with my good mate Steve Byrom. I hope you enjoyed that clip. What a fantastic little trick that he's shown us there, that fly. How good was that, getting 2 fish on 1 rod? That's amazing, especially for bass fishing.
It is.
It was really good, mate, and what a special day. Thanks very much.
Well done, young fella.
Cheers, mate. You enjoy it?
Double hookup. I've never seen it.
Yeah, right. I bet you haven't. He's seen
well
it probably
done.
many times. Yeah. Hey, you can always learn off the greatest, and this guy's one of the best. We'll see you next week. Cheers, guys. There you go. You've just become a legend overnight.
A legend in his own wheat bix.
We'd like to give a big thank you to all our sponsors for 2019.